This is how to find real motivation to continue following your purpose and chasing success. It is very difficult for you to wake up every morning finding the same level of motivation and enthusiasm to even go ahead and try something for yourself and try something for the people that you love. Now, when I said the second part, the people that you love, I believe, in my opinion, which is a highly debatable topic, that finding a reason beyond yourself is actually one of the greatest motivation you can ever have in your life. Picking yourself as a source of motivation, picking money as a source of motivation, picking love or happiness as a source of motivation will all fail. Because money comes and go, love comes and fade away. But sometimes the reason why we are able to wake up every morning and do what we do and find higher levels of motivation is because of the people that are in our lives. I know a lot of people say, I don't want to live for other people. I don't care about what other people say. That is different. But mostly human beings we are mostly motivated and highly enthusiastic about making the people that we love be happy and seeing them in a very comfortable situation. And we are fighting for a reason. The reason why men go to war is because they are fighting for their nation. The reason why men leave their families and go out there to fight against something is simply because of their family and for their love. And while they are dying on the battlefield, they are still thinking, I am dying so that my country, my nation, my wife, my children, and the people are actually safe. There we go. That is the most powerful motivation that I've seen that has helped me in everything that I do. When I was a kid, I was not the best student at that time. I was just doing anything that I could do, just not serious. Until one day I woke up and I realized the struggle, the hustle, and then the tussle that my mom was going through. A portal was open in my mind, and I asked myself, "Hey, mom, would you be happy if I become the best student in the class?" She said, "Well, that would be nice. That would be fine. That would be good." I said, "Would you be happy about that?" She said, "Oh, yeah, I want you to be the best, but I love you in every way. Like, you are doing good in class." And I said, "Okay." And that was where the motivation portal actually opened. And ever since, I'm not saying that I'm doing everything because of my mom, but the reason is because I found a reason beyond and bigger than myself. Naturally, humans, we are lazy. Naturally, humans, we don't want to push ourselves beyond what we are thinking. We need to find a reason beyond ourselves. The reason why Elon Musk is trying to get to Mars is not because of him. He has gotten all the money he can ever get. He doesn't need to even wake up and work again. And he will never be able to finish this amount of money in decades or in years or in millennia. But the reason why he's doing this is because he's driven and he has a purpose, he has a reason, not for himself. He knows that he's going to die. He knows that the mission he's trying to start is not actually something that he's going to maybe see in his lifetime. But he's thinking about decades and millennia for other people that are going to come. So when you look at the trend and you look at how people have actually motivated themselves to do great and exceptional things, is because they have taken themselves far beyond themselves and thinking about other generations, think about other people. So where can you start? You can start as simple as the people that you love. It could be your mom, it could be your wife, it could be your children, it could be the people that are in your life, your family. That is why you're doing what you're doing. Therefore, if you're asking yourself, Gamel, sometimes I lose motivation and I don't want to do anything, the only answer I want to give you is, have you find a reason, a purpose, a legacy far beyond yourself that you can start fighting for from today? If not, just pick a paper, pick a pen, and start writing. Who are the people in my life that I want to see a big smile on their face? That is as simple as that. I don't want to do philosophy or tell you any other stuff. These are the simple things. They are simple, but they work. So just do it. Let's go.